Hello friends, welcome to big tutorial. Now we are today's topic is new feature in latest version of WordPress 5.5.1. You see here, get the WordPress use latest version is the 5.5.1. Here is requirements, release notification, more sources. 7.1 version we need to require for WordPress 5.5.1. WordPress hosting, so many things. We are going to update. I have already updated, but reinstall now. So you can just wait. I can describe about which feature is given by 5.5.1. Wait, still loading. You can see these three: speed, search and security given by WordPress latest version 5.5.1. What's new in the WordPress latest version 5.5.1? Your site gets new power. The major area is covered in the speed, search and security. Maintenance, security, release. We can first topic is search. Here you can see post and pages feel faster thanks to lazy load image. 5.5 image wait to load until they just above the scroll into view. Post and page feel faster, understand, and mobile, and lazy load can be increased speed in Google and so many speed checking tools. You can see the search functionality. Say hello to your new sitemap. WordPress site work well with the search engine. You know about this XML sitemap and the SEO. So in the SEO, the WordPress 5.1 is the increase, so more people will find your site sooner. If you no need to do SEO for that. Security, auto update for plugins and themes. Now you can set the plugin and themes to update automatically or not the WordPress admin, so you always know your site is running the latest. You can also turn auto updates on the off and on each plugin theme. You can install all the same screen. So given this, you can see here update by uploading zip files. If uploading plugin and theme manually is your thing, now you are easier to just upload a zip file. Here given all things. You can see enable auto updates, disable auto updates by default functionality given by WordPress. Highlights from the block editor, also given the block editors, inline image editing, the new blocks directory, and so much more. Accessibility, every release adds defining your events. Now 5.5.1, this is the this is the new update. Speed, search and security. This is the basic requirements of the WordPress in the good tool and good CMS. You can easily edit anything yourself. Thank you for watching the video, and click on the subscribe button and share and like my video. Thank you so much.